Alright, Sarism Africa Mzansi Moses Bongo Mwasho Suzenkalata Sizwe Vindlal Suti. This is what happened to the incident at Cape Town, Khayelitsha, where Paul Mashatile, who is the deputy president of the ANC, was asked to leave. We don't know exactly what happened for the man who behave in such a manner, but team Paul Mashatile, ANC members, security team was asked to leave in peace.
This community. Leave, all of them must leave. They cannot push me in my mother's house. They must leave. All of you guys, leave now. Leave. This is my house. Put me out. Yeah, you are. In my house. No, man, you guys must leave. I don't want to hear anything. You must leave. You cannot tell me that I can enter my own home. Man, they must leave. Now, all of you must leave. Now, not tomorrow, now. It doesn't matter. They don't have a right.